Vineshanji, please do the three mantra. Meet, please follow.
नमो वितरागाय
नमो
नमो
विप्रागाय
विद्याय
नमो अरिहंताणम
नमो
नमो
अरिहंताणं
अरिहंताणं
नमो सिद्धाणम
नमो सिद्धाणं
नमो आयरियाणम
नमो आयरियाणं
नमो वज्रायाणम
नमो वज्रायाणं
नमो लोये सव साहुणम
नमो लोये सव्व साहुणम्
ऐसो पंचन मुक्कारो
एषो पञ्चनमुक्कारो
सवपावपणासनो
सर्वपावपणाशनो
मंगलाणं च सौवे सिम
मङ्गलाणं च सौवेसिं
परमं हवै मंगलम
परमं हवै मङ्गलम्
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय
ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय
ओम नमः शिवाय
ॐ नमः शिवाय
जय सच्चिदानंद
जय सच्चिदानंद
Jai Satchidanand. Mahatma, welcome to the English version of Vitrag Science. We'll have the first question. Emma,
મારા મશીનની અંદર હમણાંના 2-3 દિવસથી એવું ચાલે છે કે આત્મા હું શબ્દથી તમને કહું છું, હું સાચું છે કે ખોટું મારે ક્લેરિફિકેશન જોઈએ છે કે મિરર જેવો છે, બરાબર? એમાં મિશ્ર ચેતન જે મન વચન કાયા એ મિશ્ર ચેતન જે ઊભું થયેલું છે અને દાદા કે છે એ પ્રમાણે કે જેવું વીટેલું છે એવું જ ઉકલે છે, એવા જ સંયોગો તમને બાજે છે. તો એ મનના વિચારો કાયાના વિચારો એ ભૂલો થઈ હોય એની પ્રતિક્રમણ કરી નાખો, રોજનું હોય બધું, પણ જે મનના વિચારો આવે ઊંઘતા હોય જાગતા હોય તો એ વિચારોને જ્ઞેય તરીકે આપણે જોઈએ. અને બીજી વાત, મને હમણાં આપણે આપણે ભરતાનંદ પદ ગવડાવતા હતા કે મોક્ષે જવું હોય તો ચારિત્ર ચોખ્ખું જોઈએ. હવે આ જન્મનું ચારિત્ર તો આપણું ચોખ્ખું થાય એવું નથી, પણ ઇમ્પ્રુવ થશે. પણ આવતા જન્મનું આ જ્ઞાન અંદર પડશે તો ચારિત્ર આપણું ચોખ્ખું થશે. લોક દ્રષ્ટિએ આપણના જે બહારના અભિપ્રાયો આપણી પર પડ્યા હોય, આપણે અભિપ્રાયો પાડ્યા હોય, એ બધા ભૂસાય તો જ ચોખ્ખું થાય ને. મારો આ પુરુષાર્થ છે આ રીતનો, બરાબર છે? સાચું કે ખોટું?
मेन थिंग इज
oh,
whatever
Vineshanji, wow, please translate
Speak
what
in
the
English.
question into English first.
answer question first.
Oh,
મુકુલભાઈ,
can you translate? Thing? Vineshanji?
हाँ बोलो.
Can you translate the question into English? Or
You are
Deepakananji, one of
I
you?
cannot remember.
Or Deepakananji?
I'll just make it short. So is it so that in last few days this was going on in my mind that soul is like mirror, and the thoughts that we get, we have to just watch them, see them, and see how everything works. So, and all we have to do is observe what is going on. So is that understanding right?
Yes, you are just knower and seer of whatever is happening in Antaskar, mind, intellect, chit, reflective consciousness, and egoism, as well as in body and speech. Whatever is happening in the part of Hemaben, you are just knower and seer of it.
અને એક દાદાની ક્લિપ્સ વાંચ્યું હતું આપણે નટુ કાકાની ચોપડીમાં, તો એમાં એવું આવ્યું હતું કે તમે લેટ્રિન જાઓ છો એમાં ભારે કર્મો ધોવાઈ જાય છે. હવે સાચું કે ખોટું એના આગળ પાછળ રેફરન્સ જોઈએ પણ એ મારા મેં નવું સાંભળ્યું એટલે હું તમને પૂછું છું કે સાચું કે ખોટું.
I have no idea at all.
Repeat.
અચ્છા,
Emaben, repeat.
એમાં એવું આવ્યું હતું નટુ કાકાની ચોપડીમાં કે તમે લેટ્રિન જાઓ છો તે તમારા કેટલા કર્મો ધોવાઈ જાય છે એ કોઈને ખબર નથી. નટુ કાકાની ચોપડીમાં તો આગળ પાછળનો રેફરન્સ મને યાદ નથી.
What I get from it is Dadaji is pointing towards
મુકુલ
minor things.
અહીંયા આવો તો જરા એક સેકન્ડ. આ પેલા બેન બહાર આયા છે, કામ કરેલો ને? આ બહાર આયા છે.
Dadaji is pointing towards subtle things. He is not talking in gross form. So what he wants to say is, like in toilet, we are passing our stool. We are passing our bad things. Same way, whatever is going inside, we just flush it out from our mind, speech and body by doing Alojna Pratikrama and Pratyakya.
બરાબર છે.
So this should be the meaning of it, as I understand.
હું એ આખો રેફરન્સ લઈ આવીશ આગળ ને પાછળનો રેફરન્સ
Okay. That's good.
લાવીશ ને એ દાદા શું કહેવા માંગે છે નટુ કાકાની ચોપડીમાં એ હું તમને જણાવીશ કે એ ખાસ એવું કહેતા હતા કે ઇમ્પેક્ટ જે જાય છે અંદર અંદર તમારું જે પરમાણુ જાય છે અંદર બહારના પરમાણુ હોય એટલે તમારા અંદરના પરમાણુ હોય તો બહારના પરમાણુ બાજુ એટલે એ ઇમ્પેક્ટ તમારામાં એ પરમાણુ અંદર જાય અને પાછું એમાં મળ પેશાબ બધું થઈ જાય અને બ્લડ થઈ જાય અને પછી એ નીકળી જાય, કચરું બધું નીકળી જાય, પાછું તમારે એ થાય, સાયકલ હોય. પણ એ બધું અંદરનું મશીનમાં ચાલે છે. એની વાત હતી, એ બધી સમજાવતા ડિટેલ સમજાવતા હતા.
Bring that.
ચોક્કસ હું લઈ આવીશ, દીપકાને મોકલાવીશ આખો પેરેગ્રાફ.
Okay.
જય સચ્ચિદાનંદ, જય સચ્ચિદાનંદ.
Take second part. Deepakandi.
Pardon? What is it?
Second question. Hemaben, second question part. You only first part.
Okay, that's what you said, that when we go to latrine, that is to empty our bowel, then lot of karma, we get rid of lot of karma. So we will have to come back with reference. Okay, Emaben?
But when she started asking questions, there were two parts.
ઇમ્પેક્ટ જાય છે અંદર અને પાછું ફ્લશ થાય છે એટલે મશીનમાં ઓઇલ ભરો આ થાય, મશીન ચાલે છે એની વાત.
But water is filled up.
રાઈટ.
It inside is flushed out. The process of flushing is more important.
Okay.
Because all diseases, whatever are coming in our body, they are because of constipation.
તો દાદા એક વખત એવું કહેતા હતા કે કઈ પણ વસ્તુ અમારે ત્યાં પેલા પરીખ સાહેબ આવ્યા હતા, એમને જ્ઞાન લીધેલું અમારે ત્યાં અને સવારના નાસ્તો કરવા બેઠા હતા તો જમતા હતા, નાસ્તો કરતા હતા. એ વખતે દાદા એવું બોલ્યા કે કોઈ પણ વસ્તુ મોઢામાં જાય, ઇમ્પેક્ટ કરો અંદર, તો એનું દાદા વિધિ બોલાવતા હતા કે તમે એના એ જે ઇન્ટેક્ટ તમારા હાથમાં આવ્યું હોય તે તમે મોઢામાં મૂકો છો એટલે આ દેહ મારે આત્માનો અનુભવ માટે વાપરવો છે અને ઇમ્પેક્ટ કરે તો તેનું પ્રતિક્રમણ કરી નાખો. તો એવું તો અમને પાછું મને પછી ટેલી થાય છે કે કપટની ગીતામાં એવું કહેતા હતા કે દરેક સ્ત્રીઓ મોઢામાં ભજ્યું ચાકતા તો ભજ્યું મૂકી દે, ફલાણું મૂકી દે. એટલે એ બધી વસ્તુ ઝીણી ઝીણી છે, વાત બરોબર છે, પણ હવે બધું મને ફ્લેશ થાય છે. એટલે આ બધાના પ્રતિક્રમણ ખપે, પહેલાના જે આવી બધી ભૂલો થઈ ગઈ એના પ્રતિક્રમણ ખપે.
Naturally.
અચ્છા, ઓકે.
Whatever mistakes you did, or committed, it needs Alojna, Pratikrama and Pratyakshana to wipe them off.
Right.
Because
Okay.
your opinion should change
Yeah.
from past
Okay.
opinion.
Okay.
If it is not changed, then you are not gaining anything.
Acha. Okay.
Only if you ask for apology, that is not enough.
Acha.
First and foremost thing is you must realize that that mistake is 100% mine,
Acha.
not
Okay.
of the other person.
Acha. Okay.
After that,
Fine.
if you accept your mistake, then ask for apology, then have some determination not to commit such mistake in future. That is Pratyakshana.
Acha. Okay.
If process is done like this, then it will wipe off.
Acha. Fine. Beautiful. Okay. Saras. Saras.
Okay. Jai
Jai
Satchidanand. Jinal?
Jai Sachidanand, Badane. So I've observed that Jinal's Prakriti likes to take happiness from things like material comfort or physical comfort, or when her Man Vachan Kaya comes out very nicely, very in a matured manner, in a calm manner. So all are the things where she finds happiness. So what are the sources of real happiness? Like obviously when the Prakriti is doing something wrong, when she sees the Gyata Drashta, or when she sees her faults, when she improves the falls, it gives happiness. But what are the other sources when the Prakriti is not active and it's not doing anything? How can we remain in our pure soul? Or what should we do when there's not much activity going on, nothing to observe much in the surroundings? So
See.
how do we get Adrashta then?
Where is the doer part? Doing part is in which part? In Jinal's part, or it is in the part of Suddhatma, pure soul, self?
Which part?
Doing part is with Jinal or with Suddhatma, pure soul self.
Doing part is in Jinal's part.
Ah. So
Yeah.
we are observer, we are just knower and seer of doer part.
Correct. But when Jinal is not doing anything, what to observe? Like how to gain that happiness?
You are just knowing how it is going on, what processes are there. So we are not getting involved. You remain detached, you remain separate from Jinal, and you just observe. Observer has no opinion or prejudice at all. You follow? Observer never has any sort of opinions or prejudices for anybody. They just
Correct.
observe.
But
This is
she
like this, this is like that. So here, when you are in your own state of being, pure soul self, Suddhatma state, then you can come to know how it is going on. Even as your enlightenment with alertness, Jagrati, will increase, you will come to know every slices of happenings.
So I'll just rephrase my question or ask with an example.
Right.
For example, it's a Saturday or a Sunday. I'm not working. I'm not doing anything. There's not much workload or any commitments on that day. I'm just sitting idle. And when I'm sitting idle, it turns to either sleeping, or it turns to either watching something, some good movie or something like that, because it gives instant happiness. So then when I'm sitting idle, how can I gain happiness through Akram Vignan? Like, because there's nothing happening within me, it seems like.
For that, you have to engage your mind. You have to divert your mind towards vidhis or towards listening Dada Bhagwan satsangs or do Nav Kalam. You can do like that. And that will definitely give you happiness. But for that, you have to have inclination for that. you are inclined towards the vidhis and everything, then you will enjoy it.
Yeah. Okay.
Otherwise you will feel, oh, this is like just simply reading things.
Correct. Okay.
But if you do it with right understanding, with understanding with to whom I am offering my salutations, then you will have that bhav within. Oh, I am offering my salutation to Simandar Swami, Panch Paramersik Bhagwan, Om Paramersik Bhagwan, like that. So you will have more bhav inside when you are doing this Namaskar Vidhi, Three Mantra Namaskar Vidhi, Nav Kalamo, Suddhatma Pratyaya Prarthana, Charan Vidhi.
Correct. Okay.
It will definitely give you happiness. Because
Okay.
these instruments are meant to keep you in your own state of being.
Correct. Yeah. Okay.
All other Laukik vidhis, relative vidhis, we do in Derasar or anywhere. They are in the forms of rituals. But there you won't be have that much power. What you get it with the right understanding.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
So when you do with right understanding, it will have more inclination, more bhav towards our own self.
Correct.
And it will give you tremendous results in a long term. Initially, you won't find any difference.
Hmm.
But as your understanding improves, you will find that difference.
Okay.
What you have to do, you have to compare. Well, I saw this movie, I spent my 2 hours, 3 hours behind it. So, okay, you got your happiness, but that happiness of 5 senses or anything else,
5 senses.
they are there for 5 senses. But will this happiness last forever? No. It won't last forever. It will last for hour, 2 or 3 hours maximum.
But
What next?
yeah, over the time, Jinal's Prakriti has become like that she tries to apply Gyan while seeing movie also. Like if someone is doing something bad, like she won't have dvesh bhav towards him or something, but she needs some stimulation to apply Gyan. When she's sitting idle, whatever she is doing, she'll apply Gyan, but then I don't know. Yeah, so I'll
That
do the
means
vidhi.
you have to keep your mind busy, engaged. So that's why these different vidhis are given.
Okay.
You can listen Kaviraj Pads. It is also okay. You can do Kirtan Bhakti. So many things are there which you can do. But for that you have to create interest within. And for that you have to talk with your Antaskaran, convince them. But seeing movie will give you this much profit. But if you do these things, you will get this much profit.
Yeah.
Ultimately, it will lead you towards this way, towards liberation. These movies and all these things, they will not take you towards liberation. They are dragging you towards worldly things, sansar. So what is in your own interest, that you have to find out. You are not to impose on others, no, do like this, do that only. But we have to convey them, we have to convince them, and let them have conviction. This is in my favor. This is beneficial for me, and I have to do it. Once that conviction is there, then you are not to tell every time that Jinal do this, do that. Right?
Yes.
Whatever
Okay.
work you are doing, every time you have to decide, I have to do this or that in your job.
Yeah.
So you have to decide every time.
Listen to whom?
Every time you have to decide, I want to do this, I want to do that, I do not want to do these mistakes again.
Yeah, I do decide.
That decision is already there. That conviction is already there. If I do not work in this manner, then I will lose my job.
Yeah,
So that conviction is there. So you're
correct.
you're not to tell Jinal every time, "Bhai, have sincerity for your work, be punctual,
Hmm.
time and everything." That you're not to explain every time.
Yeah, it's already there.
Same way here also needs conviction, ultimate conviction from Antas. Okay, we agree with you totally, and now we will act according to this design.
Correct. Okay.
So like this is a talk is going on. We are just knower and seer of it because Pragya Shakti is explaining them. Pragya Shakti is conveying message to them. Pragya Shakti is convincing them, and ultimate conviction comes because of Pragya Shakti.
Yeah. Yeah. So I wanted to know the ways to improve my pragna shakti. Like even in
Pragya
difficult
Shakti,
situation, it's easy.
Pragya Shakti is there. It's just you have to listen to it. You have to follow what Pragya Shakti says. See, when Jinal does any mistake,
Hmm.
do you need to ask Pragya Shakti to alert you?
Yes.
No, Pragya Shakti alerts you. It warns you when this is your mistake. But
Okay.
if you ignore it repeatedly, then it will be silent.
Correct.
If you protect your mistake, if you feed your mistakes, then it will be silent for some time.
Yeah.
Once,
Yeah.
if you call it once again, then it will come back.
Yeah.
So here we need to follow Pragya Shakti.
Okay.
If we listen to Pragya Shakti and act according to what Pragya Shakti says, then that alertness will multiply
Okay.
in geometrical progression.
Yeah.
And
So the
it,
pragna shakti is sorry. So the pragna shakti is active only when we do a mistake, or it's active even otherwise. Like
see, Pragya Shakti is always there. But when it will tell you, when Jinal is not alert, then it will alert. You follow? Suppose you have hurt somebody and you have ignored it, then Pragya Shakti will alert you. Say, oh, Jinal, what you are doing? You
correct.
hurt that person. So that is your mistake, not that person's mistake. So if you want to get liberated from this karma, this account, to alotna pratikrama pratyakha. And when you are doing alotna pratikrama pratyakha, first thing is you must realize that is this is 100% my mistake only,
Hmm.
not 5-10% mistakes of that other person. So when you are doing pratikrama with this understanding, then it will yield 100% result.
True. Yeah.
Right?
Yes. Thank you.
Hey, Pinashanji,
Ah,
that brings one original question that Jinal started with. You were talking about conviction.
hmm.
Okay. Now, how do one person get conviction that Sat Sadhan is the real happiness, internal
See,
happiness?
when you are there are three steps. One is conveyance. So when you are talking with your antaskaran, you have to convey to your antaskaran in the way it accepts your talk. it understands your thought. So we have to put counterfully and reach to their level and talk with them in their level. Then conveyance will be there. Then it is called communication. You can say conveyance or communication, whatever it is. If you are understanding, that is not communication, but that other person should understand what message you want to give in a precise way. So if that is happened, then next step will come of convincing.
Okay.
Suppose you have to take work from your colleague, and that work is new, and that fellow, that work your colleague does not understood that thing in a past. So he has not worked on that things. So you need to explain how we have to do this work. So you first explain to that person or not.
Yes. Yeah.
In which way, in the way you understand or in the way that person can understand.
In the way the person can.
Normally, we explain other persons with our own understanding. But what Dada Bhagwan says, if you want to get that work done from others, you have to reach to that person's level and then talk. Then that communication will be 100%. That conveyance will be there.
So currently, what is Gina's situation? She's not finding happiness in worldly things also, and she's not able to get that extreme happiness from this marg as well, Akram marg also. So she's kind of
Confused.
she's searching for happiness. That is what is happening. So I just
So here,
yeah, but,
that is why you have to analyze things.
correct.
When you analyze things, what will happen? You
When
can
you
analyze,
analyze
you
things,
can analyze worldly things, worldly understandings, vice versa, following such sadhana. So when Jinal is doing worldly things or watching movie or anything else,
Mm.
in each and every slice of that worldly things, happiness lies, but that is temporary. And that is also belief-based happiness, not real one. Real
Correct.
happiness is not belief-based. You follow? Real happiness is not belief-based, but worldly happiness, that is belief-based. Wherever your belief is there, you will find happiness there. If your belief is not there, then you won't find happiness there.
Okay.
Let me
Yeah.
give you one small example. Suppose we are on long drive on highway, and it's midnight time. We both are hungry, and one restaurant comes, so we visit it. So when we reach there, they say, "Oh, we are very sorry. Our restaurant is already closing, and we are just sitting down. So we won't be able to give you anything." Then we will say, "Oh, well, you are right. But see, there is no restaurant nearby. Then we have to drive again 1 or 1.5 hours more, and then only we can get something. If you can give us, it is better." So that person will say, "Okay, I will give you pizza. So you like pizza, I don't like pizza. So when you get pizza, you will get happiness. But what about me? I won't get happiness in eating pizza,
Correct.
right?" So happiness that we get, that is based on our belief.
True.
It is not coming from things or circumstances. But wherever you have your belief, this is good, then it will give you happiness.
So to really suck happiness from Akram Vigyan, what we can't change, it's not based on belief, you said. So what should we
Yes.
do to really experience that happiness?
We need to have right understanding only.
So again, belief, right?
So,
Or
no belief. Not that is not belief based. With right belief means right understanding.
okay, there's a
Right
difference.
understanding means right knowledge, right jnana of happenings.
Okay,
Whatever is happening, whatever circumstances that comes to us, are they coming there on their own or according to my own intenting? Because I have invited those circumstances in the past, and that's why they are coming to me. So with this understanding, I decide to dispose them with equanimity and balance, Sambhava Nikal. Then I will enjoy every circumstances.
okay.
Then relative part also will be happy
Yeah.
because you are positive from within. Because you want to settle your past accounts amicably. You want to get rid of that past account.
Yeah.
You want to get rid from that account. Then
Currently, it
that
seems
one
like
day-
tough more than happiness. Currently, it seems like lots of burning within while the ahankar is melting or whatever is happening. It feels like tough rather than happiness.
Right.
But over a long period of time, I can see the result. It's not instant, like how watching movies instant. This
Right.
isn't instant, but yeah, you get happiness of it.
So you can analyze them, and then you will come to conclusion. Where I saw movie for this 2-3 hours, but happiness didn't last more than 2-3 hours.
Yeah, but for those 2-3 hours, your mind is completely like out of responsibility, out of
That
everything.
means
So
what you have did, you have just diverted your mind.
correct, it's just diversion. It's not true.
In other words, you ran away from your responsibilities.
Yeah. That is what is happening. Exactly.
So
That is
that is not the solution.
correct.
Real solution is you have to be present in all circumstances, and with right understanding you have to dispose them. When with right understanding you are disposing it, then it will definitely give you happiness.
Okay.
Now, understand happiness in better way. This inner happiness that is not of increase and decrease uh, uh, type one. It is not neither increasing nor decreasing. It is constant because it is not worldly happiness. If it is worldly happiness, then it will increase or decrease.
Correct.
So don't compare in other way
Yeah.
because you can't get happiness like you get in worldly things.
Okay. It's different from that. Yeah.
So if you want to compare that, you can't compare in that way.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Otherwise your intellect will tell, oh, there is no happiness in these things.
Hmm.
When we eat gulam jamu, we are happy. Like that, it will spoil you. It will drag you towards worldly things.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Jai
Thank you.
Satchidanand. Do an experiment, Jinal, and bring your experience next time, okay?
You can analyze and come back next time.
Right.
Sure. Yeah.
Okay. Jai Satchidanand.
Yes.
Anuman?
Jai Sachidanand Rajnika Nansi, Jai Sachidanand
Jai
Deepak
Sachidanand.
Anand ji, Jai Sachidanand Minish Anand ji, Jai Sachidanand Mahatmao.
Jai Satchidanand.
Is it possible or how is it possible to avoid causations? because in today's world, the minds differ. People, it's only me, mine. I mean, many differences. So I become really restless while sitting for my samak, my prayers. Like, I mean, partially I got my answer because everybody has their own ideas, their beliefs, their condition, their own school of thought. Difficult to change anybody. So, I mean, to bring them to an understanding, the right understanding, what you said, I got my partial answer that you have to understand, you have to put ourselves in their shoes. But still, how to,
See, here, understand first thing.
G.
Remove that thought that I want to change others.
Okay. No, I
So-
don't want to change others. It's
Yes,
just
you want
differences.
to see changes in them.
Okay. No, I don't want to change
So that
anybody, but the
remove
differences,
that.
because of the differences, to
Other
bring them to a common understanding. Yeah.
that is true. The understanding is different for all
Okay.
persons. But we have to make our understanding right, not other person's understanding right.
Okay.
So when your understanding is right, only then and then you can guide someone.
Okay.
And then other person will accept your viewpoint.
Okay. So we'll have to come to terms and conditions according to them, that is, or the right
See,
understanding you're talking
see,
about.
we have to first listen to them.
Okay. Okay.
Then explain your viewpoint.
Hmm.
Then they will listen to you.
Okay.
Second thing, don't have any fixed design.
Okay.
But they have to do like this or they have to do like that only.
Okay.
Because by fixing design, we are interfering in Vyavasthit.
Okay.
We try to uh, guide them in our own way.
Okay.
In fact, since you are having this gyan, you can say, Anubhayan, well, let us see what is the design of Vyavasthit. That person has explained his design. You have also explained your viewpoint design. Now let us see what is happening.
Can I interrupt for a second?
Yes, sir, definitely.
Yeah, because file one, not like just feels so much time has passed and wasted in this only whole day. I said, even today's day is gone because it doesn't come to a mutual understanding. I've seen that. I have done that time and again.
Hmm.
Like come to an understanding. Ki, okay, what are you saying? You tell me because elderly person. So I don't want that arguments and all that.
Hmm.
So, I mean, I feel very difficult in sitting in my prayers.
So here what happens? Normally what happens? So we try to work with a fixed design. What Dari said, when in the morning when you wake up, you have to just to decide, have firm determination that I want to remain in Dada Bhagwan's 5 ajnas.
True.
That is our firm determination.
Yes.
Let be sincere to it whole day.
Hmm.
Despite remaining sincere, if you can't follow Agnya, then have Alutta Pratikram Pratyakhan for them.
That I
So
sit every
this is positive Purusarth
Okay.
for file number 1.
Okay.
Because when file number 1 is observing Agnyas, following Agnyas, then it will act according to circumstances, according to Vyavasthit.
Okay.
It will not poke dirty nose
Okay.
in Vyavasthit. Right?
Yes. So, but can't follow it even for 45 minutes. It doesn't happen. Then again, I forget. Again, I put reminders every
Your
day.
voice is getting distorted.
I said the five agnyas is not there constantly. Consistent is not there. It's not happening.
Hmm.
Hmm.
That
So
is
like,
true.
hmm.
But uh, even after happening of things, you can apply Agnya. There is no problem. If five Agnyas didn't remain present
Hmm.
very moment,
Hmm.
no problem. But even afterwards also you can apply.
Okay. Yeah, I
When you
can.
apply Agnyas afterwards also, then also you will find other person innocent. You will not find fault of that person.
Very true. I feel that it is nirdosh, nimit,
You,
just helping me to cut my karmas. I feel nice. I feel thankful.
Nirdos Nimit, saying them Nirdos Nimit is a result of what? Of following Agnyas.
Okay. Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Because when you remain in Agnya, you will find by relative point there is the person, by real
Hmm.
point your soul self. Now
Hmm.
Vyavasthi Shakti is guiding that person to act in this way. So
Very
that
true.
person is not independent doer.
Yes.
That's why he is innocent, he is non-doer and instrumental.
Very true. But it doesn't remain all the time because the anger comes up because we forget. I mean, file one forgets every time. And then again, I start seeing all the her behavior, everything,
So
So,
there is no problem. But
hmm.
afterwards also you can apply this Gyan, Agnyas. No problem at all.
Every day there's a different story.
No
So I
problem.
forget the previous day, again, next day is
But
another story. So,
that's why you have to clean account every day.
okay.
In fact, our Gyan is we are given suit on site pratikrama.
Yes.
So
Yes.
as soon as mistake is done, you have to do pratikrama.
Hmm.
Understanding of Anuban should be such that
Hmm.
she never forgets anything.
Hmm.
So she must have that understanding. I want to clean myself, to purify myself, and to
True.
purify Anuban. This thing is essential,
Very true.
like breathing.
Yes. Hmm.
You can't stop breathing. Same way, this should be connected with our breathing. So whenever we
Hmm.
are going to do mistake, immediately we have to do pratikraman.
Hmm.
But before sleeping, I have to clear my entire day's account.
Okay.
See, you are
Hmm.
getting time to watch movie, watch serials, and everything.
Hmm.
So in an entire day, out of 24 hours, how much time you are passing for Anuban?
I think whatever I'm doing is limited. I need to increase it more and more each time.
So here you have to understand, you have to tell
Hmm.
your Antaskaran.
Hmm.
See, entire day I am out of 24 hours, you are using my all time for you only.
Hmm.
So you must give me at least 1 hour per day. So start
Yeah.
from 1 hour
Hmm.
and gradually we'll increase it.
True.
So that 1 hour you have to say this is my personal life.
Hmm.
I want to purify Anuban, that's why I have to do this Purusar. And for that item I need time and I will
Hmm.
utilize that to achieve my goal of purifying Anuban. Anuban's
Despite
mind, speech and
dis-
body.
despite washing away all my negative karmas,
Hmm.
I mean, every day the examinations are getting harder and harder. Like earlier, like when you're young, it's easy to wipe out everything.
Hmm.
But day by day, my karmas are going on, it's increasing so much.
See, first thing
Huh.
understand.
Yeah.
When you are in KG,
Hmm.
first, second, third standard,
Hmm.
that course is always easier. But as you progress towards 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 or college, it will get
Hmm.
harder and harder every day.
Yeah,
Same
it
way,
becomes
same way you are passing through different circumstances.
true.
So you are getting acquainted to deal with the circumstances. And when you see them as circumstances, you won't find them difficult or harder.
Sometimes it is very easy, and I'm very thankful. But at times, I really repented. I cry, and I start making new karmas. I become so negative. Like it's very difficult to take it out of my mind. Very difficult to sit into pratikraman. Very difficult to sit into my prayers. I mean, it's very hard.
Up at that time, you have to tell Anuben,
Hmm.
you see, you are telling these negative things. Whether you want to purify or you want to keep this pending.
Hmm.
If you want to purify, means do pure Suddhikaran of this mind, speech, and body,
Hmm.
Pratikrama.
Hmm.
If you like it, leave it. We have no problem.
Hmm.
Then don't tell afterwards why you didn't alert us.
Hmm.
So this way you can talk with your intellect, mind and reflective consciousness and egoism.
True.
So first thing you should tell, you are telling this is harder, this is difficult.
Hmm.
In dictionary of Akram, there is no words like this. Nothing is difficult, nothing is hard.
Yeah, but when it becomes challenges, what you're going through, then it's very difficult to tell myself that time, okay, even this shall pass away. I keep
Tell
myself,
tell afterwards,
Uh-huh.
pamper shoulder afterwards. Oh, why you are getting disturbed? Is this were there these circumstances permanent? No, they were not permanent. They were just passing out. That circumstances were dispersing.
Hmm.
So when circumstances were dispersing, going out, why you were worried for that? Why you were having that tension? You can talk like that.
Yeah. True.
And afterwards also you can clean it. There is no problem at all. But if you don't talk with that, then it won't become easier.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah, clear,
Okay,
quite clear.
Anuben?
Yeah. Yeah, thank you so much, Jai Sachidanand.
Jai Sachidanand. Kashyap bhai?
Jai Sachidanand to everyone. Ratnik ji, Jai
Jai
Sachidanand.
Sachidanand.
Jai Sachidanand.
Kakanand ji, Jai Sachidanand.
Jai Sachidanand.
My question is, what is the difference between Shuddhatma Bhagwan, Antaryami Bhagwan, Paramatma Bhagwan, Dada Bhagwan, and Bhagwan? There is also a saying, Jeni Sri Charitra Jani Te Bhagwan Ane Te Jani Ne Vitrag Rahe To Paramatma. This came in the WhatsApp. So please tell me the difference between the Shuddhatma Bhagwan, Antaryami Bhagwan, Paramatma Bhagwan, and
See,
Dada Bhagwan.
one who takes birth and dies is Jivatma,
Okay.
right?
Uh,
Previously, you were having belief, understanding that I am Kasyapji. That Kasyapji is Jivatma. Now your belief, understanding has changed that I am pure soul self, Suddhatma. So this is interim government, interim state. So as your focus is on file number 1, you come to know of mistakes that happened in the part of Kasyapji. And for that, Kasyapji is doing Alotna, Pratikraman and Pratyakhan for that.
yes.
So that purification process is going on.
Yes.
So you are reducing your stock of karmas.
Yes.
So when that stock is fully exhausted, then you become yourself Paramatma.
Okay.
Paramatma is not different from us.
is the final stage of the relative.
Yes, Paramatma means there is no bondage at all.
So as I understood that the real is always the same, but the relative is is developing and reaches a final stage and it dissolves and it reaches the final stage. Is
Yes,
it
the
correct?
means purification process is related to this outer part, mind, speech, body.
The relative, right?
Antaskaran.
Yeah. So before
Pure soul is always pure.
so what is Bhagwan, first of all? Please tell me, what is Bhagwan?
Different words are used in our language.
Yeah.
Some says nature, some says Bhagwan. Right? So
Yeah.
different words are used. Means here in that sutra which you recited,
Yeah.
Janete Bhagwan means knower and seer is God.
Yeah.
But here knowing and seeing process for Mahatmas is at the level of Pragya Shakti.
No, it says who came to know about Sri Charitra, that is Bhagwan, and who remain vitrag, unaffected that is Paramatma. So please explain in this context only. Start
So
from here.
here this thing we have to understand. So this talk is with Mahatmas.
Yes.
So Mahatmas are knowing and seeing things with the help of Pragya Shakti.
Prajna Shakti.
So this is interim state, not full government.
Not full government.
So pure soul means this independent state of being, a pure soul. This is Niralam Dasa. In Niralam Dasa, exact knower and seer state is opened up. So that state is of Paramatma.
Paramatma.
At present, we are using this word, we are knowing and saying things, whatever is happening in the part of relative, in the part of perceptive. But in God's language, it is not exactness. In Vitraga's language, this is not exactness. But you are on the path of it. So gradually you are going towards that independent state of being.
Yes.
And whatever focus through Pragya Shakti is there, still you are purifying the relative part.
Yes.
Because when you are knower and seer of it, you will not sit with that file number one's opinions and prejudices.
So what is okay, you said the final stage is Paramatma and interim state is Shuddhatma. Okay, this I understood. But now
Antaryami Paramatma is also interim state.
that is, what is the difference in Antarami Paramatma and Shuddhatma Bhagwan?
Yes, sir, there is no difference.
There is no. What is the difference between Shuddhatma Bhagwan and Shuddhatma?
See, Antaryami Paramatma means what we mean to say, Atma so Paramatma. You follow?
Yes.
Atma so Paramatma, but we are having three stages. Jivatma, Antaratma and Paramatma. So till the time you are having this understanding that I am pure soul servant, Suddhatma Shu. Till then, that time you are in interim state. Because you are dependent on this Suddhatma Shu.
So but then what is we say that Dada Bhagwan is within us, Paramatma also is within us. Which is the correct one?
Dada Bhagwan is within us, that is true.
And Paramatma also is within us. So which is the correct statement?
Dada Bhagwan, file number 1, A.M. Patel. The state of A.M. Patel was 356 degree purity.
Yes.
Only 4 degrees were remaining to be completed.
Hmm.
So for us, there is no difference between 360 and 356.
Hmm.
Because he had purified his file number 1 in such a way that he used to say, even if the most intellectual person of this world stays with me 24 hours by 6 months, for 6 months constantly, he cannot find our single mistake.
Hmm.
You follow?
Yes. So Bhagwan and
under-
Paramatma is Bhagwan and Paramatma, what is the difference?
See, words are different,
Hmm.
but some in what manner that word is used, in which context that word is used, that is to be said.
For example, I gave you a statement, જેને સ્ત્રી ચરિત્ર જાણ્યું તે ભગવાન અને તે જાણીને વિતરાગ રહે તે પરમાત્મા. The one who came to know about Sri Charitra, he is Bhagwan, and he remained vitrag, unaffected, he is Paramatma. So now in this context, there are two words, Paramatma and Bhagwan. What is the
when you see Sri Charitra, when you are experiencing it, what will happen inside your antaskaran?
Yeah, I might have attraction or Vishay thoughts. Yes, I might have.
So you may have ragas for that.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So when you are knowing well, this is Cheta Sri Charitra used by that person. But still you get affected by that behavior of that person.
What it means knowing Sri Charitra?
You are just knowing Sri Charitra means you are just observer.
Okay.
You are just knowing that this person is using this Sri Charitra to deal with me.
So,
but since you are in interim state,
yeah.
Your past account is not 100% clear and purified. So you will have resistance within.
Yeah.
You will not allow that Sri Charitra to act with you or to overpower you. Right? When that Paramatma Dasa is, Paramatma is just totally detached from all this happening.
So here it says it means that the Bhagwan is still not fully detached of Vitrag, that is what
the detachment is there. But that detachment is partial.
Partial.
Not
Okay.
full.
Not full. Okay.
So that is not full moon state.
Okay.
Still we are in different parts like second, third, fourth, or whatever it is. But not full moon. Purnamasi is not there.
Okay. Okay, I understood. One more thing. What is Sanyogic? I understand Vajnanic means it is because it's called Vajnanic because it is related to cause and effect. And Sanyogic Purava, it is, please, can you please shortly explain this very little time?
Sanyogic Purava means circumstantial evidences.
We can also say predisposing factors. Deepak Anandji used very good term. Is it correct word? The predisposing.
Which one?
Predisposing factors.
The Sanyogic Purava means circumstantial evidences. Okay. Circumstantial evidences are
okay. Circumstantial evidences means
with what are circumstances we can experience through our five senses, which we can see through our eyes. They are in gross form. that can be seen by all creatures, means all human beings, if they want to see. If they are with you and they want to see, or they are seeing you, then they can come to know this sort of circumstances were there. But the Vaijnanic Sayogic Pura means scientific circumstantial evidence that encompasses what are circumstances we can visualize through our eyes and what we cannot visualize or see through our five senses. Both these circumstances come together, then it is called scientific circumstantial evidences. Dadaji gave example of tea making. So in tea making, we are just visualizing only circumstances which can be seen through our eyes. But our past account with that person's account, what sort of taste should be there in the tea, and various other factors, they work in it. And when the time ripens, at that time you will make tea and serve them. You understand?
I think we lost him.
Oh, good. I am seeing my screen only. That's why I have a problem.
Yeah. No. Okay, so our time is up. So, Nilashan, can you do three mantras deployed? Can you please follow?
Namo Vitragay,
Namo Vitragay,
Namo Arihantanam,
Namo Arihantanam,
Namo Siddhanam,
Namo Siddhanam,
Namo Ayariyanam,
Namo Ayariyanam,
Namo Vajjayanam,
Namo Vajjayanam,
Namo Loe Sava Sahunam,
Namo Loe Sava Sahunam,
Aiso Panchan Mukkaro,
Eso Panchanamukaro,
Savapa Vappanasano,
Savapa Vappanasano,
Manglanam Cha Save Sim,
Mangalanam Cha Save Sim,
Padmam Havai Mangalam,
Padamam Havai Mangalam,
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya,
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya,
Om Namah Shivaya,
Om Namah Shivaya,
Jai Satchidanand.
Jai Satchidanand.